Alright, so today we're going to be putting some PDW mud shovel front and rear fenders onto my fat bike here, so keep some of the snow and mud off of me. And then I'm also going to add the World Cyclery front fender here. So got everything set up, and we'll go through this, see how easy it is. Alright, so see how this front fender fits. There's a couple more holes here up on top if I want to go around the top of the fork there. Try to get this thing a little straight. Alright, so I think that should work pretty good. Keep that good. Alright, so basically peel it off the backing, squeeze it together, add a couple screws and bolt it on. So basically shape it to the way you want it. Okay, so now rear fender, got it creased a little bit, get an initial shape on it, screws in underneath. So this piece is going to go hold them together. 4 screws. This is the latch that goes around the seat post. Let's see how this works. So I'm sure it's going to take a little bit of adjustment once I get the bike off the stand, but pretty simple, straightforward there. What's nice is you can just take this on and off the bike real quick and use it only when you need it. Alright, so let's take a look at the front one. So it comes in these pieces here. You just peel them out, cut the zip tie. This just has the 2 rubber straps that go around the down tube. Yep. Wrap them around. And if you want, you can cut these to length. This should be just a couple minute install. No tools needed. Again, you just bend these to how you like it. And then these are nice too because you can trim them if they're too wide. If you get these on there and you don't like how wide these are, you can easily cut these with some scissors. Make any stencil you want out of them. So yeah, it even has some dotted line right here. It says for smaller frames. So we'll see how this fits on mine. Alright, should have clearance.